Hey guys, I stumbled upon a free Blender 2.8 Sketchfab add-on that I want to show you in this short tutorial. You can find the source code for the add-on on this GitHub page, but the zip file to be installed in Blender can be downloaded from this page here. Okay, then in Blender 2.8 you go to Edit, Preferences, then click the Install button and navigate to the zip file we just downloaded. Then the add-on is visible in the list and you can check this checkbox to activate it. After that you can press the N key to open the sidebar and then you find the Sketchfab panel. Okay, the first thing that I do is to activate the add-on and then I log into my Sketchfab account, because then I can download and import the models from Sketchfab directly into Blender. So let's search for a special kind of model, like a battle axe, and when you click then into this panel, you can see the search results. I select the first one and here you can see the information about the owner and the license is displayed, and this one is public domain. And the great thing is that you can import the model with materials and textures, so I delete the default cube and press the button Import Model. And now it's downloading. This takes a while, but after that you can see the full textured mesh in the viewport. Well, actually, to see the materials we have to switch the viewport shading, for instance, to Material Preview. Like that, and this looks really nice. The model has multiple objects with PBR textures, and these can be seen in the shader editor as well when we open it here. Here you see the nodes with the diffuse image, then the node for the normal map, and here the one for the roughness. When you click this button you can open the model on the Sketchfab page. And this one has some annotations as well. A very nice and free model from Arms Museum. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you this add-on. I think it's a great addition to bring Sketchfab models into Blender. Please let me know if you like it, and if you like my channel then don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on my social media, Instagram, Twitter or Facebook, support me by being my patron, and I see you in the next one.